So the equation to figure out how long it'll take you to make $1 million is... I was running through the businesses I currently run. Right now, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just got them listed all on this board right here, along with how much revenue I'm making per month from them. And I realized that there's a simple equation we can all run to figure out how long it'll take us to make $1 million in profit from any of our business ideas. And that's what I wanted to share with you today, because it's good to figure out how long it'll take you to make $1 million, or whatever goal, whatever monetary goal you want to hit, so that you can decide if things are good investments or good uses of your time. So let's go over to the whiteboard and let's talk about how long to 1 million cash, question mark, underline. How does Khan Academy do this without having a great time every single time? I'm sure everyone from Khan Academy to Alex Becker is just, they do this USB board thing, this USB pen, and they draw here as much for themselves as they do for you. I'm having a great time. So how long will it take to get to 1 million in cash? Well, here is the equation I came up with that lets you easily see how long it'll take you to make $1 million in any business venture. Let's do some numbers, all right? Here's the equation. So let's say, for instance, from X27, I make, let's say it's $4,500 per month in profit. So after all the revenue from the company, after everything, everyone else gets paid, my profit as a founder is $4,500 per month, all right? Let's say that is the number. First, you divide that by whatever your money goal is, $1 million in cash, right? What we're trying to figure out is if we are making $4,500 a month from a business venture, how long will it take us to get to $1 million? Now, if we do that, this equation says 222.22 months. That's how long it'll take. If you're making $4,500 a month in profit, it'll take you 222.22 months to make $1 million cash. All you gotta do is divide that by 12 months to figure out how many years, and let me do the math in my head here. That is about 18.51 years. You might be wondering how I did that calculation. I did this before. I'm just reading off of, I got it all on my phone here. I'm not some kind of math whiz. I'm more likely to eat Cheese Whiz than be a math whiz. And there's like a 0% chance I'd eat Cheese Whiz. That stuff it's got way too many chemicals in it. All right, 18.5 years to make $1 million from this investment if you're making $4,500 a month. Now, you can run that for any of your investments and see how long it'll take you. The equation is, let me clear this. Not only will I clear it, I'm gonna change the color to blue. So the equation, I need to practice calligraphy. Maybe I'll take a Skillshare course on calligraphy. I don't know. Can you read? Can you read what I'm writing? Just put it down in the comments. So the equation to figure out how long it'll take you to make $1 million is monthly profit divided by money goal, and that'll give you the number of months to achieve, so how long it'll take you to achieve the money goal. And then you take number of months and you divide that by the months in a year, so 12, divide that by 12, and then you get the number of years to achieve money goal. Done. So I ran this for a couple different businesses, and you can see exactly what the monthly profit is and then how much you're gonna make for any of these businesses. So let's do that really quick. So let's do a couple different monthly profits, okay? Monthly profit of 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and 1 million. We can know what 1 million is. 1 million is just gonna be one, but we'll figure this out. So 1,000, let's do a calculation here. Oh, you know what? Let's do this in Excel. What are we even doing? All right, I'll give you a free download. If you want this calculator, check it out below. Head over to the old Google Drive here, Google Sheets, free Google application. How long to make 1 million calculator. What I want is you put your profit, monthly profit goes here, and you fill this in. So we'll make this green, and then months to hit goal. I think we'll also put in monthly profit and then money goal, and we'll have years to hit goal. And then you can easily calculate any business idea you have. You'll figure this out. I'll make this one orange. So let's say your monthly profit is 1,000 and your money goal is 1 million. Remember, it is money goal divided by monthly profit, and that'll be 1,000 months to hit a million, and then divide that by 12, and you get 83 years. So if you're making $1,000 a month in profit, it'll take you 83 years to make a million. If you're making $5,000 in profit, it'll take 16 years to hit that goal. If you make $1 million in profit, it should take you 0.08 years, or 1 month. And now you can have this calculator. You can figure out for your businesses how long it'll take you to make $1 million. That's down in the description. Let me know down in the comments. Did this lead to any insights? I know it was so surprising for me, particularly when I put in the building, the fourplex, because I make about $1,000 a month profit off of that. And so I didn't even realize that I had a chance of making $1 million. Like, I never even thought of it as a business like that. But when you run it through here, just keep that building running and don't touch it for 83 years. There's $1 million cash. Will I live another 83 years? I don't know. Life extension technology is getting better every day. But just in case, I need to make more money. And that's another thing you can do with this equation. You realize you're not making enough money from a certain business venture, and so you increase it. What is this, 15,000? I would say 15,000 is even a little low. In order to make a good million in 1 year, you need to make about $80,000 a month in profit. So try to get to your $80,000 a month in profit. You can get your $1 million in cash, and then you graduate. That's the thing about money goals. There's no real end game, because I could make this money goal 200 million, same exact way, and now it takes 20 years at $80,000 a month to hit 20 million. Meaningless. But it's good if you're trying to figure out multiple businesses and one has a higher potential profit versus another one, and then you can just kind of scope out exactly how long you're going to need. And also you can use this for paying off your debt. Let's say you have $20,000 in debt and you want to put $2,000 a month towards it. Now, you know it'll take you 10 months to pay off the debt. You can use this calculator that way as well. Hope you like it. Have you been trying a bunch of different marketing tactics and nothing's working? I would love to work with you one-on-one to figure out exactly what's wrong. Whether you're using cold email to get billion-dollar clients on board, like I've done for most of the Fortune 500 for our clients, or you're using YouTube videos. We have over 23,000 subs, so I know something about that. Or sales strategy. Sold millions and millions of dollars in business-to-business transactions. If you're dealing with issues in any of those, I would love to have a one-on-one consulting call with you. You can get more info on that at experiment27.com/consulting. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman. We do videos 3 times a week on this channel. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you another time. All right, bye.